this is Chinmayi. I'm going to be showing you how I would go about doing my makeup if I were going out today in Chennai or in Mumbai in this very hot, humid weather. So let me take you right in. I'm done with my morning skincare and I am wearing sunscreen. What I'm wearing is the Nivea Water Gel SPF 50 and PA++++. Okay, so I'm going to start off. What am I going to start off with? This is the Revlon Age Defying Concealer. It's available here at most of the drugstores. It's quite nice. There's enough coverage and it is lightweight. This is the Zoeva 102 Silk Finish Brush. One of my friends who is a makeup artist, Samantha Jagan, was using this on me in the Valentine's Day video and I loved it so much. This is super soft, super dense and doesn't leave streaks. I really love this. This is vegan, cruelty free, all that, and this is a German brand. It ships out from Germany, so you can go to their website. I'm going to be linking it down below and you can go to their website and get this. I've been following the concealer before foundation technique for a while and I kind of like it. So once the concealer is in place, I'm just going to be lightly going over with foundation, and this is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in Warm Natural. I'm in 4.5. This is a natural daytime routine, so it's not going to be heavy at all. Even otherwise, I guess I'm not the heavy foundation person. I have a little bit of a teeny tiny purge happening there. So I'm going to just be dotting concealer over that, and if there are any other marks on my face, and then just press it in with the same brush. I'm not rubbing it in. This is more or less this pinpoint technique that Lisa Eldridge, one of my favorite makeup artists, demonstrates in her YouTube video. I shall link it down below. Anyway, now coming back, I'm going to be setting my under eye with the RCMA No Color powder. Especially for summer, I think setting is most important, so that I will be going over and setting my makeup a little more as well, but once I'm done with my highlighter and my cream blush. I think for summer, cream based products might work better, so that's the gamble that I'm going to be taking. This is the Colourpop cream blush. I'm just lightly going under that space where I had applied my powder. I will be going back to it with my foundation brush at the end. Going back, actually I could have done this earlier, but I don't know why I did not. But me being me, while my under eye is baking, I'm just going to be curling my lashes. This is the Maybelline's Colossal Big Shot Volume Express. Just make sure that the mascaras that you choose for summer days is waterproof so that you don't end up with raccoon eyes. Very important. That's that. I am going to be just brushing out my eyebrows with a spoolie. Nothing more, no more drawing with my eyebrows. This is a spoolie that you will get at any beauty supply store. This is just a tool, so you can just use this to set your eyebrows and also maybe brush away these teeny tiny hairs that you might have. It is useful that way. It's now time to take away the bake. And I'm now going back to my foundation brush and then blending the cream blush a little more so that it's not too evident. I'm going to apply the highlighter Lunch Money from Colourpop to the high points and then going back with the brush again. I really love this brush. I want to use it for everything. I'm going to be lining my lips. I'm just going to wear lip gloss. This is the MAC Creme Sheen Gloss in what? Deelight apparently. And that's that. If you are not comfortable wearing a gloss, you can always go for a pinky nude shade. That might work for you during the day, and it will also last through the day and you don't have to keep reapplying and things like that. So this is how I would be doing my makeup if I'm going out, especially during daytime and it's summer. I hope you like it, and if you have any more comments and if you need me to do anything else for you, show you how about going on, how I go about doing some of the makeup look, let me know. I'll try to learn that and share with you. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.